Evening, everybody. Found as a United A321neo. Didn't even think United had a neo, but cool. Learn more every day. Going from San Diego to Chicago. We may end up having to voice over this video. Of course, the kids are playing and having a good time, but anyway. This is a Delta 737-900 going from San Jose to Atlanta. About to go behind some clouds here, so we're gonna track it as long as we can. Haven't checked to see what this one is yet, but by the looks of it, it's either a Frontier or United. Don't see the wheels on the bottom, so it's an Airbus. My guess would be United. Well, I was right on the Airbus part. It was an A321neo United going from Chicago to San Diego. Wasn't the other one going the opposite direction? It's kind of cool. Waved at each other on the way. Bush cam. It's a Frontier with no contrail going from Denver to Oklahoma City. Southwest. Come on, focus. Stay there. Stay with it. Tell you what, if it's not the focus, it's my camera skills. One of the two. Oh, it's down there now. Above the tree. There it is. And this Southwest is going from Denver to Orlando. Hopefully the pilots have more focus than I do. My goodness. Tree, plane, focus, non-existent. Have an Allegiant behind a cloud. I gotta go take care of these kids. We have an American A321 going from Chicago to, well, San Diego again. Must be a popular route over here today. It's a United E175 from Wichita to Denver. The United E175 from Tulsa to Denver. Get my words out quick before the focus goes away. Nice. Not sure if the focus is picking that up or not, but that's the E175 we just saw. Gone behind a cloud there. Just barely missed an American A321 going from JFK to LA. It's just a little too far south. So we'll stick with this for a minute here. The sun is right in my eyes, so I have no idea if that's in focus or not. Anyway, this guy's not even on radar. Flying right over. came out from behind the tree. Looks like a 172. Neato. Any second now we're going to be seeing the contrail for an ITA Airways A350 going from LA to Rome. There it is. Will the zoom cooperate? We have a minute for it to cooperate, but come on. It's a little too far out to catch just yet, but like clearly catch. And there she is. ITA Airways A350. LAX to Rome. It is amazing to think how far these planes go, where all they've been. Crazy. A350 is a really pretty airplane. We're about to lose it behind the house, but keeping it as long as we can.
Up to the top, nice and shiny.
Looks like a tail dragger to me. Well, let's see if we can catch a Southwest in one shot.
Where's the other airplane going to?
I don't know yet. Oh, there it is. Southwest. Supposed to be an American going from Phoenix to Newark. The other one was a Southwest going from Denver to Fort Lauderdale. Lauderdale. We got a JetBlue A321neo going from Newark to Newark to LA. Or Boston to LA, one of the two. Let's go to LA. So 28,000 feet, just below that cloud layer. No contrail. It's quite far out, but that's an American 737 going from Columbus, Ohio to LA. We have a Southwest going from Kansas City to Phoenix. Bush cam. A really good shot of that Southwest. We'll go ahead and end here on this decent shot of the smiley face moon. Thanks, everybody.